Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my Best Top 5 Produce Gamebox Pro video review. Number 1. 4K TV Game Stick M15 Video Game. The 1.4K TV Game Stick M15 video game brings classic and modern gaming straight to your TV with smooth performance and instant plug-and-play setup. Featuring a compact stick design, it offers a wide selection of built-in games, wireless controller support, and crisp 1.4K output for enhanced visuals. Simply connect to your HDMI port and enjoy hours of entertainment for kids and adults. Number 2. Video Game Sticks M8. The Video Game Sticks M8 delivers portable retro gaming fun with an easy-to-use interface and thousands of nostalgic games. Designed for all ages, the M8 provides stable HDMI output, dual wireless controller compatibility, and lag-free gameplay. Perfect for family nights, parties, and casual gaming on any TV. Number 3. M15 4K Game Stick TV Video Game. The M15 4K Game Stick TV video game offers high-quality 4K visuals and a powerful gaming system packed into a lightweight stick. Enjoy a massive collection of classic arcade, console, and handheld games with smooth performance and quick startup. Just plug it into your TV's HDMI port and experience retro gaming in stunning detail. Number 4. M15 Pro 4K Game Stick Mini TV Retro. The M15 Pro 4K Game Stick Mini TV Retro is a premium retro console designed for players who want speed, clarity, and convenience. With upgraded hardware, sharp 4K output, and an expansive game library, it transforms any TV into a full gaming station. Dual wireless controllers make multiplayer sessions fun and effortless. Number 5. 128G Game Stick M15 4K Video. The 128G Game Stick M15 4K Video comes with expanded 128GB storage, giving you access to a huge selection of retro and modern-style games. Featuring 4K HDMI support, fast processing, and wireless controller connectivity, this game stick provides smooth gameplay and vivid picture quality. Ideal for gamers looking for a complete entertainment system in a compact design. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.